Hey everyone, so here is the good news for engineering first and second year students, guys. We are coming up with a great initiative that is the new channel Engineering Ki Pathsala. So today there is a launch event that is 24th November 8 p.m. Engineering Ki Bunyad, and this session we are giving all in this session we are giving all the details that is on Gate Academy Plus channel. So the link is available in the video description. You can join, enroll, and join the session at 8 p.m. So on a nutshell, I can give you some details regarding this session, guys. In this channel, so we have seen many engineering students from the past many years. There are some engineering students feeling the difficulty to transit between the plus two and engineering. So this channel will help you will by giving you the basics of the engineering. So we'll be guiding you with the coding concepts to make you a best programmer, and the mechanical engineering, the basic subjects like engineering drawing, etc. For EC electrical, basics of electrical engineering, network analysis, the mathematics, all the basic subjects required for the engineering first and second year students, like the core subjects, etc. We will be dealing in this channel, guys. So this will be a great initiative for the never before initiative for those who are preparing with engineering and facing some difficulties after coming to the engineering, those who are getting difficulty to transit from your plus 2 to engineering. So for you people, this is a great opportunity, guys. So in this channel you will be getting all the information, all the content for the first second year core subjects and all the basics required for you, so that you can make your engineering most enjoyable. So whatever the difficulties you are facing, all difficulties will be solved in one shot through this channel, guys. So link is available in the description. Join us at now 8 p.m. today. You will be getting more details, and every single doubt you will be having, or if you have any kind of request, you can chat in that session and you can clear it. Thank you. Let's crack it.